账号或者中了。
你一定很奇怪，为什么我会穿着 wetsuit 在一个 spring 里面？为什么我拿着一个粽从水里面出来？为什么有 boom shakalaka？
这会容易
伤害。
然后为什么我这么开心？
为了庆祝我捡回我的drone，我们要开始造火锅。
下面让我来慢慢道来我的 drone 的故事。
The fuck, someone like getting off road.
Because I have a very bad experience when the last year I traveling from Freeway 10. It was about 1.5 hour off-road and my car is two-wheel driving. This lady I met on the trail, she is going to the same direction.
To show you the 10 most popular waterfalls. And so it's funny because this one, there's no signs. I didn't know about this either.
Yeah, I think it's gonna keep going.
I know, and I'm like, okay, 5 miles of this. And then Bernie Falls is...
Burning is pretty good one
Yeah. And so I've done McCloud Falls.
Oh, you went there?
It's amazing because they have a lower, middle, and higher area.
This is on my app too.
Oh my gosh. It's amazing.
And she is pretty talkative, very nice lady. She gave me a tour like how many waterfall they have here.
The sun was beaming into the canyon. It sparkled.
I really like the way
snow,
how she talks. It's kind of funny face. And
So it's about 20 minutes off-road driving.
anyway, I checked with another local lady and I got the information.
Off-road. I hate off-road driving.
And now you know why I hate off-road. My car definitely is not designed for driving this off-roading trail. And it drives me nuts.
Damn! Wow!
You can tell how exciting I was. And
That's
I just
fucking high. Damn!
I couldn't imagine how beautiful the next station will be.
It's high. I've never been so... my god, I got dizzy. Never been so high rate before. Damn, that's cool. It was the time.
Like I said, it was the time. And here I am. You can tell how exciting I was. I was all the way laughing and prepared for my drone to fly to the waterfall. Suddenly, what's happened next?
I just
Here.
dropped my drone in a waterfall. It's so strong wind when I close to the water and I couldn't fly away and just like brew, drag it. I think I need to rescue my Avata.
As long as I've been here already and I prepared to check the AA location, waiting for my friend tomorrow coming and rescue my drone. And my friend is coming. And this is the second day and I feel safer. So I try to watch from the different location, check how deep the waterfall was. And I can tell it's not really hard. But this is gonna be my first time free diving in strange location. So let's give it a try. Oh wow, can you see the rainbow? I didn't figure out. But I was waiting for the sunrise goes to all the way to noon and I can see the whole side of the waterfall. That I can see how deep the water was. Getting more confidence to get in the water with almost 0 degree Fahrenheit, no Celsius.
所以呢，你要怎么办？
啊？
所以你要怎么办？
我还是想试一下，我不知道这个，你觉得这温度有多少？有0度吗？
0度不是冻上了吗？
但是它是活水，活水是不会。
那肯定没有零度。
没有零度。
看有没有照呢？
肯定是低于40度的，因为我潜水的时候不会这么低，就现在是冰水。
Okay, even though the water is pretty, but all I was thinking about was getting in the water and pick up my drone. To be honestly, the water speed, I really feel dangerous and I don't know how deep it was. So before I get in the water, I try to warm up a little bit, running around. But seems like I don't have any choice, right? Because even with the insurance coverage, replace a drone is $289. But if I took it back, I only need to pay for $75, but not include the battery. Okay, let's do it. I was kind of regret why I didn't take my new wetsuit, which is 4 or 5, and this is 2 3. It's for summer surfing only, and this water is, I'm sure, it was under 40 Fahrenheit. And this was the first time I did a free diving in the fresh water, and I didn't really have enough free diving experience, only once. This is brand new thing and first time to use it. Just in case if the water current was too strong, my friend can hold my back. Okay, double check. I'm ready. That's the first dive. Hopefully. Okay, I can tell the line is not long enough. Okay, it's not long enough. Are you counting how long time I have been in the water? I don't know. My face was frozen.
咋样？
冻脸冻得不行，我操，我的脸快冻掉了。这点还好没有看到。
Okay, the second dive. I'm sure I can take it back. Was so scary when I close to the waterfall. I couldn't imagine if the water gonna drag me into the deep hole, just like the drone. Can you tell I was thinking? I was just staying there and thinking. Okay. Another dive. Ooh, that's confidence. Why looking back? I got it back! Oh my god, I got it back! That's fucking exciting! Oh my god, I found it! My $200! Boom shakalaka.
很快。
哇，好爽啊！这是。我转换回来中了。
这会容易，这会容易。
伤害了。这首先在下个几乎没有作用，然后其实水没有那么冰，还好。第二次下去就好。
适应了。
200块钱回来了。
这200挣得太快了。
好开心！来补个光。为了庆祝我捡回我的drone，我们要开始造火锅。
昨天刚吃完。我说昨天刚吃完。
不影响，连没吃过。